Hello, good evening. Tonight I will be making a tutorial on how to enroll third-party account on your account in BDO. First, you have to log into your account. Then, pag andito na po kayo sa My Accounts, you have to go here on the left side. Andito nakikita niyo po itong Enrollment Services. You have to click. And then you have to scroll down to other person's account. And then here itong enroll, click po yung enroll. Then wait nyo po na mag-load. So ito na po, makikita nyo dito enroll another person's account. Dito makikita ninyo account type. You have to choose kung anong klaseng account ang i-enroll ninyo. If it is current account, cash card, savings account USD, or savings account PHP. Ang i-enroll ko po ngayon is savings account dito sa Philippines. So I have to click this one. And then I have to enter the account number. You have to start with 00 52 30 35 33 34. Kasi po, dapat po dito is 12 digit. So, you have to enter 12 digit number. Pagka kulang po, dagdagan nyo po ng 0 dito sa unahan. So, lalagay po kayo ng name kung kanino po na account number yan. Let's say, for example, kasi ang i-register ko is, ang name niya is Richard, so I have to put Richard. Richard. Or pwede rin kahit ano. Gagawin kong General Richard. Yan. Dagdagan ko pa. VSC para po mas madali kong ma-identify yung number. Another person's address, kung alam nyo po yung, email address, kung alam nyo po yung email niya, ilalagay nyo po dyan. But if not, you can put your other email address na hindi nyo ginagamit sa online banking ninyo. Just like, for example, kahit ano lang na email address. So, I have another email address like Glinde Ice Cream at gmail.com. So, we're done. Then, after that, you have to click Submit. Then, ito po, are you sure you want to enroll the following accounts? Okay, click OK. And then, wait po natin, naglo-load po siya. Then, after that, dito po makikita natin na successful ang inyong enrollment. So, makaka-receive po kayo ng activation code. Ito po, 6-digit activation code. So, isave nyo po yan, i-record nyo po, or you have to print out para hindi po talaga siya mawala. Dahil that is very important. Yun po ang gagamitin ninyong pang-activate sa third-party enrolled account ninyo. Pupunta po kayo sa any BDO ATM machines. And then, you have to insert your card. Then, meron po kayong susundan. I-select nyo po yung other services. Activate, then, under sa other services, makikita nyo po doon, activate enrollment for fund transfer. After that, hihingian po kayo ng activation code and ilalagay nyo po itong 6-digit activation code. Then, makaka-receive na po kayo niyan ng receipt or successful transaction ng activation ninyo. Then, after that, you have to wait until the third party is enrolled already. So, i-click nyo na, pagka na-record nyo na po lahat, click back. And you're done. Pagka gusto nyo pang mag-enroll ng another account, gagawin nyo po ulit yung ginawa natin. Savings account, account number, 12 digits, preferred nickname, other person's email address, and then click submit. Pagka-activate nyo po yan, you can log into your account back at makikita nyo na po doon yung mga account na na-enroll ninyo. So, para makita po ninyo, pagka mag-transfer na po kayo, makikita nyo naman po siya. You have to click this, send money. Uy, wala dyan. Sorry. Or pwede din dito sa mga icons dito, sa mga icons po dito. Ito po, makikita nyo siya, transfer money. So, you can click this one, transfer money, and then you have to, pabayaan nyo lang po itong quick transfer, may quick transfers. Dito po tayo sa transfer details. You have to choose kung kaninong account po, kung anong account po. Pero pagka isa lang naman yung account na in-enroll ninyo, you can choose any of that, and then transfer to, makikita nyo po dito, pwede nyo na siyang piliin. Ayan. Pwede nyo pa siyang piliin kung kanino nyo po gustong mag-transfer. Ayan. Then you click, and then you click the amount kung magkano yung transfer ninyo. Pwede din kayong maglagay ng remarks, notes. For example, for tuition fee. Ganyan. Then, immediately, then submit. After that, that is automatic. Ma-transfer na po yung funds doon sa third party. Ayun lang po. Good evening.